Aggregates in construction are composed of rock fragments that may be used in their natural state or after mechanical processing, such as crushing, washing, and sizing. Nowadays, these aggregates are recycled and used to build new infrastructures. Even though recycling is not a new idea anymore, it has made its way to be used as a new method in the world of construction. How was this possible? For recycling to pave its way as a new innovation.
One reason is because of environmental issues. Originally, aggregates came from natural deposits on Earth's surface that can take millions of years to form. That's why we call them non-renewable sources. This has been the reason why continued reaction of aggregates from natural sources has been questioned, mainly because it results in depletion of the quality of primary aggregates and greater awareness of environmental protection.
Another reason is because of economic implications of dumping in the present day in developed countries, especially European countries. Disposal of waste arising from construction and demolition, whereas large proportion of these are potentially useful material, which is thrown away as landfills. And this opens up another issue since the price of the land in the recent years has been increasing. This made the dumping cost also increase, and with those cited,
It has opened up the method of recycling, but even though recycling of aggregates is being used already, but this technique still needs to undergo further studies. Because even when recycled materials have been shown to perform well, they may not be suitable for construction. Purpose some construction required only newly extract aggregates for roads, building, and other construction.
Which leaves us the task to know what type of aggregates can be used and recycled, and to find the methods on how to recycle some materials as usable substitutes for aggregates, and if it's possible to do it at a reasonable price. That's why we came up with this topic, Garbage to Gold, Recycling of Aggregates in Construction.